All right, here we are, another edition of what do we call these? Pulls, unboxings? Not really unboxing. Not this one anyway. We unboxed last episode that I did. We went through a box from an Amazon that I received, and it's America's sports store, I believe it was. It's in the prior video if you search it out. It came with 600 cards. Nothing really that stuck out per se from that card, that set of cards. Didn't do the full 600, just did a fraction of it. So I'm continuing with that box. And we'll take it from there. Let's see what this stack has here. Like, subscribe, check out my other videos here. Baseball's coming back, guys. I don't know what you feel about that. It looks like we're going through a 60-game season, which was the original agreement, I believe, in March. I know, big fan of fantasy baseball. I don't know if you guys play fantasy baseball as well as football and all that, but fantasy baseball is something I really get into. I'm going to do like previews or my thoughts on the teams for this year. I've been doing also vintage Major League Baseball, kind of profiles and games and moments. So a lot of baseball on this channel. So let's go. Let's see what we have here. What this stack brings us. Doug Jennings. Gary Pettis. These cards, for the most part, have been in pretty good condition. Can't complain otherwise. Ron Darling. Bill Gullickson. Jim Gantner. There's a little crease here on this card. Don Robinson. As of 91, because this is a 91 Fleer. Excuse me. Sleepy Pools. 102.93 career win-loss record. Career ERA at that point was 3.70. Strikeouts 1147. He was about anywhere from the most he ever pitched in a season was 82, 228 in 78. Pitched 227 innings in 82. Wow, up there. Hubie Brooks. Mike Davis. Mike Moore. Jim Eisenreich. Wallace Johnson. Gary Templeton. Mike Schooler. Mike Munoz. Bobby Thompson. Randy Moffett. Walter McReynolds. Mike Heath. As of 91, because this is 91 Leaf, career 457 RBI, 885 RBI. Kirby Puckett. This is 92 Leaf. Let's see what we got here. Kirby Puckett, as you know, is a Hall of Famer. (1992).
According to Wikipedia, 1992 was a
1992 Leaf card 98 Kirby Puckett. Let's see what we got here for this card going on Amazon, eBay. Let's see, $369 here on eBay. So again, take it for what it's worth here. Rod Dibble. I'm sorry, beg your pardon. Dibble does not dribble. Steve Howe. Jesse Barfield. Mark McLemore. Greg Colburn. Rob Dibble. Jose Silva. Dave Magden. Ooh, prospect guy came up, fizzled away. Kevin Moss. Oof, Yankee fans, you know Kevin Moss. Oh, man.